It's not heat defogger, it's cold defogger.
Mine is heat.
Yeah, I know, but I can turn the heat on.
My heat is what caused my is what
Heat or cold will do it. It just depends on what you can stand.
yeah, my cold doesn't.
Mine does.
My cold doesn't do
Mine
my
does.
heat does.
My cold does. Here's some heat for you if you want it.
Got the heat. It does. I want the windows clear.
My windows are as clear as they're gonna be. I promise you. That's what I don't like. Yeah. This right here is Main Street. Not Main. Yeah, Main, and then there's Garth Road. And Bucky's is the next one. Yes. It is. It is a flash flood. Absolutely.
Yeah, that's not.
And I'd like us to get to a decent high ground. This is a flash flood. Well, the rain is back. It's raining yet. Usually there shouldn't be this much water on the highway. No, it's not. See, this is Main Street. One after Main Street is Garth Road. One after Garth Road is Wade Road and whatever. Bucky's. Yes. A lot of people are getting off now.
Yeah, it's because it's dangerous to drive in the highway.
I'm not getting off on Main Street because there's nothing really to park here on Main. Second right, that's Garth Road. There's no place to park on Main. No real businesses on Main. So soon there will be. So do we get off on Garth or get off at Bucky's? What do you think?
Oh, it doesn't matter. I just don't think they drive to the place.
Yeah.
Not 15, 30 minutes.
We still have another 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes before we get there. We still have another 20 to 30 minutes before we get there. So it's not a good thing to ridiculous.
Coming off the freeway, yes, it's bad.
Yeah. So we give it 5-10 minutes and then we'll be fine.
Yeah, I don't think we need to wait 30, but
Never said
Already
to
it's
wait.
almost.
I never said to wait 30. I said it's going to take about 20 to 30 minutes to get there from where we are.
right.
No, 5-minute nap. That's how you do it. That's,
Much better.
yeah,
Feels much better. That back there didn't feel right.
yeah. We'll just give it a second. Maybe get a drink at Buc-ee's in a little bit. See, it could start right back up again. You never know. The difference is also we're not moving right now. When you're moving, the rain is hitting you faster, reducing your visibility. When you're not moving, I'm making faces on video.
Gonna be a big, some big wrecks up there if people keep going the way they were going.
Yep. Making a 7-Eleven right there. So I guess
Wow.
capitalizing the Buc-ee's popularity.
Wow.
It's a big 7-Eleven. Guess a lot of people are stopped.
They had to rush because the road is shallow and rain. You cannot see the road. Buc-ee's. You can stop there.
I can't go any farther if he's not gonna go. You know that's how it works, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll let you know that. Some people are just pulled in, I guess they're just waiting. They're not gonna go anywhere.
Now they're waiting to rain stop. Oh, look at that. The water is goes in the.
Yeah. Yeah.
Made I think that. Oh, I think
Yeah.
that. I see.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, they're not even buying anything here. They're just waiting in their cars.
Correct. They're just taking all the spots underneath the thing.
Well, there's one right there that I missed. Crap.
They're waiting to stop the rain.
Close. Aren't right down there because we're doing the same thing. We're not here to buy. We're here to get out of the weather.
Well, who says I'm not here to buy? I might want to buy. Sounds good. This is kind of like a game of musical chairs. go slow enough. You gotta watch for somebody pulling out so that you can take their spot, but you can't go too slow. Like this person, they're pulling out, but I can't park there because it's a handicap spot. They're turning that way, so I'm gonna turn this way. I have to just watch for a spot. Oh, look, somebody's pulling out, which is not me.
But
I'm not worried about it. Oh, see, somebody's pulling out right here.
but there's people waiting.
Yep, that's the problem.
Oh, God in heaven. You on the Funko shop.
What?
Slush puppy.
Of course.
Oh, God, I love it.
Where's a birdie bird? It's like, I don't want to be out in this weather either.
Look at his little face. He's precious.
Yeah, that's a you thing. Oh, could one of you like right here back out? That'd be great. Most of these people don't even need gas. They're just kind of parked up underneath there. It's like, hey guys.